And over the next few minutes, we're going to share with you why World Ventures is poised to be the next billion-dollar travel company. But if you're like most people want to be able to do more in less time. They want to be able to travel more. They want to be able to enjoy life for what life's all about. But the key thing is this, is everybody's trying to be successful on their own. They're not plugging into a system or a team. And so what we're going to be talking about over the next few minutes is that system, is that team that you can plug into. But what's really key right now is that you have a measuring stick to measure us by. I'm going to give you 5 criteria points to measure us by. Number 1, is it the right company with the right company leadership? Is it the right industry? Is it an industry that's expanding or contracting? Is it the right products? Is it something that you're willing to go buy, but more importantly, are other people willing to go buy it? But also, if you decide to get involved on the business side, is the compensation plan right for you? But last but not least, and the most important thing, is the right support tools and systems. Because you can have everything else, but if you don't have the right support tools and systems, you're not going to be successful. Briefly about the company, World Ventures is based in Dallas, Texas, and was founded in December of 2005. In our first 3 years in business, did over $150 million in revenue, and it's predicted our 4th year just alone will surpass even that. We're the youngest company to be featured in Your Business at Home magazine in 2007 and Success from Home magazine in 2008. So how big is the travel industry anyway? Well, it's an $8 trillion industry, and over the next 10 years, it's going to go to $15 trillion. Why? Because there's one segment of our population called the baby boomers. There's one retiring every 8 seconds for the next 18 to 20 years. That's 10,000 a day, and most of these boomers have time freedom and money freedom. So what do you think they might want to go do? Travel, right? They're building out bigger airplanes, longer runways, more resorts all across the world, getting ready for this huge influx of baby boomers. Just to kind of show you how big the industry is, our co-founder, Mike Asquith, his keynote speech back in 2008 at the National Convention talked about the difference between the coffee industry, the wellness industry, and the travel industry, and showing how big each industry is compared to each other. The coffee industry, $100 billion. The wellness industry, $226 billion. But the travel industry, $8 trillion and growing.